Namaste, Prema from LG Electronics. So good afternoon. Today we have a health organization day. So that's the reason in LG Microwave we are doing for the healthy recipes. So today I am doing for the saffron potato. For the saffron potato, I have taken for the potato cubes here. So we can use for the butter, either olive oil you can use it. So for this one, just we will mix up on this. For this, I can use for the salt to taste. Salt to taste and saffron color. And we can use for the chili flakes for this. So I can use here for the chili flakes. Just we can mix well for this. See now, we can go for your, it's a healthy art recipe. You can press the button of healthy art recipe. You can select the category of 16, number 16. So this is a potato sauce ready. We keep for the high grill rack with a multi-cook pan. Close the door and start the button. So it's going for the preheating process. After the preheating, it comes to the beep sound. Once the beep sound will become, just take it out. You can stir up the pieces, keep it back again. See, once it will be get preheated, it comes to the beep sound. Once the beep sound will come, when you start, it shows for the 8 minutes time. So after the 8 minutes, in between it will become for the beep again. Once the beep will become, just you can turn the pieces and keep it back again. So last 1 second is there. Now a saffron potato is ready. So we want to make for the garnishing. Just you can put little bit of thank you.